I was a kid. Come to think of it, I might just be blessed in its kind.
What? Hey! Hey, sir. I'd appreciate it if you'd let me have that back, please.
Shut your ass up.
All right, you know what?
You're not getting this damn box! You fucking moron! Look what you did!
What do you mean what I did? You did this shit!
No!
Yeah-huh?
No!
Yeah-huh?
You!
Eat a dick!
Oh, shit!
You psycho! I'll kill you!
Both of you step away from me.